Hello, I'm Sharon Down, and I'm the course manager for English 101 Online. Because there's been some confusion in my face-to-face classes and some people were absent when we went through this, I'm here today to walk you through the process of uploading a major essay to Blackboard. The first thing you need to do is know where the essay is located. If it's on OneDrive, you need to go there first and download it. So let me show you how to do that. You're going to go to your email off the Gateway website. You're going to go to your email here and you'll log in. I'm already logged in from earlier, but it's basically your Blackboard login and your Blackboard password. From your email, if you look across the ribbon on the top, you'll see some options. If OneDrive is not an option, 3 dots will be. Just click on those and then you can go to OneDrive yourself. Once you're there, you'll see your list of documents. I have folders for mine. I'm going to go into this folder and show you what those look like. So here's your documents that you saved. I have a document here that I did earlier. The next thing you need to do is make sure that it's saved according to the essay naming conventions that some of your teachers might have. Document's not a great title anyway. If you've got a million of them in here, they'll overwrite and do other stupid things. So what you want to do is rename it first. You'll come here to these dots and click on that, and then you'll scroll down here and you see 3 more dots. Click on those, and one of the options you have is to edit the properties. If you edit properties, it will take you here where you can rename your document to something more useful. For me, the naming convention is your last name and your first name, because you could have 2 Johnsons in the class or something like that. The essay, not the title, but the assignment. So if you're doing a descriptive essay, you might type this, and then your class number. You can find this in your syllabus, so you can ask your instructor if you're not sure what it is. 16886 is the one I'm going to give that. Once you've got that named properly, you can save it. And then if we come back, it'll bring you back out to here where your list is, and you see now you have a different document that is saved according to my naming conventions. It's always a good idea to name documents what they are so that you can find them later in any case. From here, you can download the document to your computer, which is something that you're going to need to do to get it into Blackboard. So click on these dots again. Come on down here and click on these dots. And another option you have is download a copy. So you download a copy. You can see on my Mac it's doing this. Usually it's going to go to your downloads folder, but you can do other things to find it if you need to. If it's just a file that's on your computer, like it's already in Word, you can actually figure out where it's saving to if you go File, Save As, and then it'll show you right here where it's going to save to or where it has already saved to. So then you can navigate to it properly. Once you know where your file is, you can go to Blackboard, and I've logged in here as a student. I'm going to go to my class that I'm logged into, and you're going to need to navigate to your assignment. In the face-to-face classes, you can find it from major paper submissions. If you're in an online class, it's in whatever module that you're working in that you need to turn in the paper to. Once you get there and see the assignment, you're going to see a View Complete as a link down at the bottom of the assignment. This is true for both face-to-face and online. Click on that, and it will bring you to the assignment itself. From here, sometimes there are instructions up here. You want to go to the second part, which is your files, and where it says File to Attach here, you're going to choose a file. That's where it's helpful to know where your stuff is. If it's on your desktop, you would do that, or you would navigate to somewhere else, like say your Downloads folder. And here you are. You've got a file, and I'm going to open it. Once you see the name of the file in there, all you need to do is click Submit, and it will go into the assignment, and you should see a ribbon up here that says it was successfully submitted. Now if you don't see that ribbon or you're just not sure, you can always email the instructor with a copy of it just to be sure. For me, that will stop the clock. But the other thing you can do is go to My Grades or Student Grades, depending on what you have here, and look and see if you have your essay. See, here's my essay, and I have a little exclamation point here on the side. That means that it is waiting to be graded. So it is in there and it is safe and you're good. And if you wait till the due date for this or after the due date, you'll lose points for being late, or you may find that the assignment has disappeared altogether. As per my syllabus in my face-to-face classes, after 3 days and 30 penalty points, I'll close the assignment and then you will not be able to even find it to upload it. In the online class, there's no grace period at all. Sorry about that. After 11:59 on the due date, the assignment disappears and then the paper will not be accepted or graded even if you email it to me. I hope that this information has been helpful. Please contact your instructor with any questions or concerns, and good luck.